Hello traders, this will be my first analysis. The pair I chose to analyze is USD JPY. The reason I chose this pair is because recently we've been on a strong uptrend, especially since the Feds had announced that they want to have a 0.67 interest rate hike by 2023, if I'm correct. That makes this a very good looking pair. The yen is typically a low interest rate pair, and when you have a high interest rate against a low interest rate, that can be very profitable. So today was really big news, specifically the NFP and unemployment. The main focus was NFP. The reason why we focused on NFP today is because it shows that new jobs were created. Unemployment was slightly below expectations, which is why we see this red candle. This is a lot of indecision, and it's also a lot of these traders hopped in, fear of missing out these last 2 days. So my entry will be about right here in this area. This is the daily chart, by the way. As you can see, it's already rejecting this area, but I still see the potential for downside. Let's go to the 8-hour. So what I want to see is further downtrend within this area, within this 8-hour, before rejecting up to the top side. It was also a reason why we saw a downtrend, is to generate liquidity, because after it was grabbed pretty much through this candle and this candle, there was no liquidity sitting at the top to go any further. So it was necessary that the pair came down, retraced to eventually push back up. Also, if you did not see, let's scroll back. COT data is still overall bullish. I typically use COT data as confirmation for my overall trend. I don't like using a lot of indicators. Only indicators I really use is sessions and volume. So let's take a look at that COT data actually. So as you can see, the yen has overall been since about, this is when we saw the true after the 50-50 change. Since March, it's been getting weaker and weaker long term and getting shorted by the USD pair, which is really good if we're looking for longs. And recently, a very large amount of shorts were added, which is really good. And this was created right here as a hedging opportunity for the upcoming news week. But as you can see, it was cut in half by longs. It was the next week was cut in half. But yeah, overall, it is very bullish for the US dollar against the yen. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my first analysis. Let me know if I need to work on anything. Obviously, this is my first time, and I do want everyone to be successful trading. Share your thoughts. Let me know how you feel about this pair. Any other pair I can analyze too. This is just the one that's been on my eyes long term. All right, happy trading.